Hello, one again. This is Antonio, and I'm coming at you with another exciting video. First of all, I would like to start off by saying this is not financial advice. The purpose of this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. Also, for those that don't know me or don't know anything about this channel, on this channel we speak about stock, cryptocurrency, personal and business credit. So please subscribe to this channel because we do 4 to 5 videos per week. And in this video, we want to talk about some current events dealing with Lordstown. Ohio House passes bill to give struggling Lordstown motors tax exemption. One of the reasons why Lordstown had to reach out to companies like Foxconn and amongst other things is because they have been struggling, cash scrap rather, to get the cash to get the cars to market. Now, they do have a prototype and the car looks great to me as a truck, but Foxconn is here to save the day. And as you see from this article, the Ohio House is another company that's saving the day. That's the vehicle. I think that is going to be a good looking vehicle once it hit market next year. So Lordstown is still cheap enough so you can definitely get in on this play. Let's keep going. The Ohio House passed a bipartisan bill that will give Lordstown Motors a 4-year sales tax exemption on engines, transmissions, batteries, brakes, and other components that are unique to the production of electric vehicles. So I just want to talk about some of the news that's taking place. And now let's go into this article and let's talk about where they at on today. Lordstown Motors Corp ride is up 1.78% Monday in pre-market trading. Lordstown Motors Corp ride is up 1.78% today. Ride stock closed at $5.06 and is up 0.09 during pre-market trading. Pre-market tends to be more volatile due to the significantly lower volume, as most investors only trade between standard trading hours. RIDE has a poor overall score of 13, meaning the stock holds a better value than just 13% of stocks at its current price. InvestorsObserver overall ranking system is comprehensive evaluation and considers both technical and fundamental factors when evaluating the stock. The overall score is a great starting point for investors that are beginning to evaluate the stock. RIDE gets an average short-term technical score of 60 from InvestorsObserver's proprietary ranking system. This means that the stock's trading pattern over the last months have been neutral. Lordstown Motors Corp currently has a 91 highest short-term technical score in the auto manufacturers industry. The short-term technical score evaluates a trading pattern over the past month and is useful to short-term stock and option traders. Lordstown Motors Corp overall and short-term technical score paint a mixed picture for RIDE's recent trading patterns and forecast price. So I just want to come up with a brief article talking about how the Investor Observer, well, some news from the Ohio House, which is going to be great as Lordstown or Ticker Ride works to get this car to market, that they're giving them a 4-year window, saying of tax exemption. That should help them alleviate where they're not paying so many taxes and got to turn around and get the car to market. Also, although Lordstown is up, the article feels that they are 91th on the automotive trading list. Now, let me give my opinion. I think that this is going to be a long-term hold. If you want to get in on this stock, never invest money that you're scared to lose. But RIDE has a $31 52-week high, meaning this is going to be a long-term play if you get in on this stock. My advice is Get on it early, get in it young, but you may have to be in this stock for like 5 to 6, 7 months before it actually start manifesting money. But sometimes you have to get in on it early and leave your money in it for a while. So this is not a wash and rinse or pump and dump situation. So leave your comments below. Tell me how you feel about this play. Do you think that Ride will never get to market, that is a scam? Or do you feel that this is a play that you got in on and you're going to hold? So this is Antonio with Team Tiggio. Please like, comment, and subscribe, as we'll be coming to you with more videos just like this in the future. And once again, we will see you next time.